Hello and welcome to another CADimensions tech tip. My name is Casey. In today's video, I'm going to cover a clever way to add draft to a wrap feature. Due to the complexity of an embossed draft feature, using traditional methods to apply draft does not always produce favorable outcomes. Therefore, I'm going to show a handy trick that only takes 5 steps. This process does require using some surfacing tools and just a little bit of math. If you're not familiar with surfacing tools, be sure to check out some of the awesome surfacing videos we have on our channel. I've included a link to those videos in the description below. The first step in this process is to create an initial embossed wrap. I'll create and define my sketch, then start the wrap command. For my first wrap, I'm going to emboss with a height of 1/8 inch. Next step is to create an offset of my original wrap sketch. To determine what my offset needs to be, I first have to figure out what draft angle I want. For this example, I'll use a draft angle of 15 degrees. Now that I know my height and angle, I can use trigonometry to calculate my offset. In this case, my offset will be 34 thousandths of an inch. Next step in the second sketch is to convert the inside edge of my first wrap sketch. Then I will start a new wrap command. This time I'm going to use the scribe method. This will project my sketch onto the surface and create a new face. Now onto the surfacing tools. Ultimately, what I want to create is a surface that connects the top outside edge of my first wrap to the outside edge of the scribed wrap. To do this, I have to first delete a couple faces using the delete face command. Then I need to connect the faces. To do this, I'm going to use the lofted surface command. Be sure to check out my Adding Draft to Wrap blog, where I'll go into greater detail on how to use the lofted surfaces command. For this lofted surface, I'm going to connect my open edges. I'll select the edges using the Selection Manager method and use those for my profiles to loft in between. Now I'm left with 3 independent surfaces. The last step is to tie all the surfaces back together and create a solid body. This is accomplished by using the Knit Surfaces command, then selecting the Create Solid option to create a solid body. Now I have a wrap feature with a consistent draft all the way around the outer face, and I was able to create this feature in 5 simple steps. Thanks for watching another CADimensions tech tip. Be sure to check back in for more great content.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.